slowly. Who's in?
My brother and sister was in my room,
They
and
want to play.
yeah, and I said, "Get up, because I need
Oh,
to do the class."
ah, okay. How's your day? So you came from your taekwondo class.
Yeah,
So what did you learn in taekwondo?
I want some. I, I, I.
Oh, did you join any? Did you join any competitions? Did you win medals or belts?
I don't know.
So what's the color of your belt right now?
It's same color. It's purple.
It's purple. Still, it's purple. Okay. When is it going to change?
I don't know. Teacher don't tell me yet.
Ah, okay. What did you do Saturday and Sunday?
Mm, I find my sister and brother.
Mhm. Are you a good older sister?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Hey, I made a sandwich. Okay, this is my snack. It's peanut butter. There's peanut butter inside my sandwich.
Oh.
Oh, this is my snack. I ate all
Mm,
the bananas at home. Bananas, watermelon, mangoes. So we had three fruits at home. So I ate everything.
what food do you have in your food?
Nothing. I didn't bring any fruits today because I ate the bananas, the watermelons, and the mangoes. What
Oh.
about you? Did you eat any fruits?
No. In, I eat some apples in my school.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, I'm going to give you the pen first. Okay, where's your pen now? Our things. Okay, our things. So we are going to use, okay, can. Okay, the word can.
Mm.
Okay, so when are we going to use can? So we use can. Uh, mhm. Okay. It is asking someone or to give permission. Okay, like can I use your phone? Something like that. Okay. Or you request someone to do something or to offer help. Okay. Are some examples where we can use the word can. So this is positive and can or okay, can't
Mhm.
or cannot. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next. Okay. Let's go to the next. Okay. Make sentences. Okay. Let us do this one. Can you read it for me, please?
Make sentences.
I can.
I can.
Oh, What is that? Teacher Lisa cannot read Korean letters. Cannot.
Hmm. This is the letter. It we are. I said this is word match. I then you. I I mistake with this,
Mhm.
and I
Okay.
said
Make sentences, right? Make sentences. Okay. So, can you help teacher me? So we are going to read the first sentences. First sentence.
"Mm, I can't play golf.
Oh, teacher Lisa cannot play golf. I can. Okay. What do you think? Do you think I how to play the guitar? Can
Can
or can't?
cat.
Okay. Can, she can.
She cannot play guitar.
Okay, very good. She can play guitar. Next. Oh,
He
oh, it's raining
he
outside.
cannot go outside.
Very good. Very, very good. Okay, how about this one?
They can do
They
game.
can. What kind of game? They can play.
They can
They
play,
can
but they
play.
cannot play.
Okay, they can play
They can play.
cards. Okay, they can play cards, right?
Me,
Okay.
I I don't know they are what card game they are doing.
Uh, I don't know too. So probably we can say they can play cards, right?
Yeah.